This is Mrs. Singh's life, and I am Nidhi, aka Mrs. Singh. Welcome to my channel. We'll be doing all sorts of things related to life. We'll sometimes talk about it. We'll do subscription boxes, which I love. We'll do hauls. We'll talk about sales. Well, there's a love one. We'll talk about books. I love reading, and I've started this passion of mine again. It has been a while when I gave up on it. But I am starting again. I will like to take you on this journey with me. So let's get started. For today, I have chosen a subscription box that I have been trying. It's a new box that I'm trying. It's GlamEgo. I didn't hear about them, but I was looking for some boxes online, and when I came across them, and they seemed quite interesting, so I tried them. This is my second box actually. I bought it for 3 month subscription, September, October, and November. So today I have the October box. Regarding GlamEgo, I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to try them out. It cost me around 1100 for 3 months. They have some sort of sale every time. They give you some discounts on if you buy it for 3 months, 6 months, a year. So yeah, I'll have all these details written in the description box below. For today's we have the October box, and the box is this. I might buy these subscription boxes just for how they look. They are pretty. They are really pretty. For September, I also had September box. I'll like to show you how pretty these are. I love them how they look, and they are quite sturdy. I would say that they are quite sturdy. Good packaging, A1 packaging. So this box, it has a theme. Last time we chose all the 5 products because it was a special offer. We chose all the 5 products. So for October, I had to choose only one product. That's between eyeliner, the color of the eyeliner that I wanted, whether it's blue or green. I chose green, so that's there in there. And this one theme is deep cleaning. So let's just open it. I have looked what inside it. It has been a while. It's almost half October now. I'm posting it a bit late, but yeah. So this is how the box looks like. That happened. So this is the card that we get along with it, all the descriptions. Here it's like what all the products are there, and along with the amount that they cost. So I'll be telling you how much each and every one of them costs. How much each and every one of them cost. So the first product, okay, there are actually steps written here. So I'll just go through what each and every one says. So first is face and neck scrub. Face and neck scrub. Yeah, it is this one. It's by Botre Microdermabrasion Spa Exfoliant. This is how it looks like. So it's in packaging. Let's read it. I haven't opened this even though I got it quite a while back. Let's look how it looks and smells. So yeah, this retails for 520 rupees. Ooh, it's quite full. Yeah. I don't know what's it about this I don't know if I'm saying it. It's Botre name, correct or not? I might be. Let me know how to pronounce this. This product doesn't smell, but they are good. I've tried its night cream, and it's damn hydrating. It's so hydrating product. I like it. So yeah, we'll try it and let you know. So yeah, next is T-Zone Charcoal Mask by Nimli. Yeah, this is the product. Yeah. It says it's a detox face mask, a deep pore detoxifying face mask which cleanses and brightens skin. Okay, it's by Nimli. It has all the instructions and has Fuller's Earth, kaolin clay, bentonite clay, activated charcoal. So all things good that are good for your to exfoliate. With bentonite clay I've used earlier. It's a really nice product. You should try that. It retails for 300 rupees. Yeah. Okay. And also, guys, always check manufacturing and expiry date. Even if you are paying for these subscription boxes, they are sent to you. I know they won't give you an expired product, but still, it's better to be safe than sorry. So, yeah, I always do that. You should do that. Okay, so next is our step 3, cheek clay mask. That was a T-zone one. This is next step is cheek. So it's a 4 clay. Okay, gentle face mask, pure clay mask, detoxifies and clarifies skin while keeping it hydrated. That's nice. Okay, it has all bunch of clays in here: French pink clay, French red clay, French green clay. One is salt clay, tea tree oil, lavender. I love lavender. It has very nice smell. So all the instructions are there, and this retails for 325 rupees. Yeah, and I don't know how much. It's not, content is not written here. How much gram or something put up with it? Yeah, it's there. But it's not that visible on the back. I guess it's 6 or something. So, oh, sorry, that's the shelf life. It's after opening this, you can keep it for 6 months, I guess. You know, once you open the shelf life after opening the product. Okay, that. So next we have is lip scrub. Okay, this is a Sear Secrets rambutan dates and licorice lip scrub that we get. It has ingredients are raw cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, licorice extract, rambutan extract, date extract, bunch of fruit extracts, I would say. Let's see how this smells. Oh, it's so hard. Like, yeah, but it's coming off. It's not like it's not coming off. It's coming off, but it's quite hard. It smells like candy. Okay. So we'll give it a try. And this retails for 261 rupees. And it is around 8 grams. 8 grams. So yeah. Okay, so next product is last one is 5th product is the one that we got to choose. We had to choose an eyeliner. It's an Ellen Blue eyeliner. Eyeliner. Pencil. Package. I chose the green one. Yeah, so this is. Ooh, that's smooth. It's gliding quite nice on my hand. It's smooth. It's like, it's nice. I'll say. That's it seems nice. I like it. I like blue, green, black eyeliners. I like to use them. They're like little pop of color even if not using any eyeshadows or anything. They're a nice way to add colors to your eyes. So yeah, I love them. So that's all we have. That's all we had for this one. It was a nice product. I like all of them. This is the thing that I like about this box. All the products that you get are quite good, and you can implement in the deep cleaning. Also, one thing on GlamEgo, you can select what kind of products you want in your boxes. Like if you want skincare plus makeup, or only makeup, or only makeup. So you can select them. There's a little quiz that you fill up when you log into their website. So that you can do. So yeah, that's all for this video for today. I'll see you next time. Till then, keep smiling, be happy. See you again. Bye.